Let's move on to the next section, 101 orders to 100,000 orders. The first one is scaling. Okay, let me open up my little book and look at the notes that I wrote about scaling. I've got 3 things right here. First thing, well, I've got 4 things. First thing is more stores. This is very key. Okay, so if you look at the back of my t-shirt, it says more stores. This is one of the t-shirts we give out at our events, right? For my private group and community and course. The reason why it says more stores is because the more stores you have, the more diversified you are. If there's a problem with bands, let's say, the more diversified you are across niches. Let's say jewelry. People stop buying jewelry on Etsy tomorrow. That won't happen, but let's say it does. Say it does, for example. You don't want to be in the position where you've got all your eggs in one basket, so you need multiple stores, okay? Second point, more products. Add more products. Typically, my recommendation is 1 product when you're at 30, when you're below, 1 product. And then once you reach 30 to 50 sales, do 2. When you reach 70 to 100, do 3 products every single day. Keep adding them every single day, okay? And does that mean really every single day? Yes, that does mean every single day when I say every single day, okay? Don't just add shit though to add a product. It's better to add like a good product than just adding complete shit. But again, so that's the most important thing. More stores, more products, and then more staff. So as you're actually really scaling, as you're getting up there, a lot of people are very scared or hesitant to get more staff members. But you need to get more staff members. It's the most important thing to like actually really scaling, because you can't add all the products yourself. You can't build all the stores yourself. You can't do all the customer service yourself. You have to scale it, okay? Does Amazon is it just Jeff packaging all the orders? No, right? Bossman Jeff isn't sat in the warehouse packaging the orders. He's delegated that. He's hired other people to do those tasks. So that's a big thing, okay? And then scaling. The final thing I was going to say is Etsy Kings, right? So Etsy Kings is my private community. We talk a lot about scaling. Obviously, we go over the beginning stuff in detail, but we also go over the kind of really big, powerful stuff as well. So we go over absolutely everything from product research. We have 6 different methods. I've given one that we actually don't even have inside of there because, actually, I think we do. But anyways, we got 6 different methods inside of there. Obviously, we go crazy in depth about how to avoid bans. We go in depth about we go in depth about SEO, titles, descriptions. We go in depth about hiring employees, firing employees, limited company setup, taxes. We go in depth about literally every single little thing. There's over 70 individual videos inside of Etsy Kings. The course is hours upon hours long. We've got a bunch of text in there, got a whole community, absolutely everything. So if you're looking to scale or you're looking to start your stores, I highly recommend to join Etsy Kings.